Hi, I'm Brandon Hohrein with the Hohrein Group at Keller Realty, Central Delaware. Today we're going to talk about an important topic to every homeowner, whether you're a first time or you've been in your house for quite a while, and that is building equity within your home. First off, what is equity? Equity is essentially the delta or the difference between what your house's fair market value is and what you owe left on your mortgage. And having more equity means you own a larger share of your house. The more equity you have, the more freedom you have, and the more wealth you're building. You'll be able to use that equity in the form of a loan or as a larger down payment as you move up in a larger housing market. The other option is when you sell, you just have that extra cash that is yours at the end. One of the fastest way to build equity is paying down your mortgage faster. If you're able to pay down more on your principal of the loan, the less interest you have to pay at the end of the loan. By paying just one payment per year extra, you can significantly reduce the length of time on your mortgage and the amount of interest you pay, along with adding more equity into your portfolio. Another way to build equity in your property is home improvements. Keep in mind though, not all home improvements have the same impact on your equity. Renovations of kitchens, bathrooms, adding square footage are all the highest ROI when it comes to adding equity to your house. Exterior updates, fresh coats of paint also add to your curb appeal so that it gives a higher value as well. Sometimes building equity is as simple as letting time work for you. As market value of homes in your area rise, so does your house. And on average, over the course of the last 40 years, the inflation of housing is about 4%. So it's naturally going to rise. While you can't control the markets, buying a house in a good neighborhood and staying in that house for years is going to help with appreciation overall, period. Another option is going with a shorter mortgage. If you can refinance from a 30-year mortgage down to a 15-year mortgage, you'll be paying less interest and more principal on each payment. Thus paying down your loan faster, thus building your equity faster, thus building your wealth faster. Lastly, avoid taking out loans against your equity. Your home equity lines of credit or HELOCs. While these loans can be useful in certain situations, they do take away from the equity when you do a second loan or a home equity line of credit. So it kind of takes away from the goal we're talking about today. Building equity in your home is one of the smartest financial moves that you can make as a homeowner. If you have questions about this or how to build equity in your house, I'd love to speak with you. Give me a call, 302-346-2729. Again, my name is Brandon Hohrein with the Hohrein Group at Keller Realty, Central Delaware. If you found this valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Today we're going to talk about an important conversation. Today we're going to talk about an important... Here we go again. Today we're going to talk about an important topic where you can tap into that equity to take loans, other things, for loans. Crap. The more equity you have, the more freedom you have, because that equity think of these improvements as adding equity, increase of market value. Okay. Think of these investments as adding increase to the market value of your house, thus increasing your equity. That was a good one. What these loans do are take... I got you. Again, my name is Brandon Hohrein with the Hohrein Group at Keller Realty, Central Delaware. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I hope to talk to you soon. Nope. Hello. Can you hear me now? Yoga. Okay. Am I recording now? Is this all the real?